Cristillerie Baccarat, La Vague inkwell, around 1900. The Cristillerie Baccarat designed this inkwell in molded and reworked crystal adorned with gilded bronze elements, a testament to the alliance between glassmaking and the work of bronziers specialized in the decorative arts. The crystal takes the form of a hollowed-out wave, at the top of which rests a gilded bronze mermaid. Her undulating hair emphasizes the nudity of her body, in a languid, sensual pose. Founded under Louis XV, the French crystal manufacturer Baccarat demonstrated its excellence at the Universal exhibitions throughout the 19th century. The two ink tanks are fully in keeping with the maritime theme. They take the form of a shell and a fishing basket, surrounded by swirling seaweed. This Art Nouveau masterpiece was exhibited at the Exposition Internationale de l'Est de la France in Nancy in 1909. It bears witness to the influence of Japanese art on Western artists, notably Hokusai's The Great Wave of Kanagawa. The inkwell La Source, created by Paul Orb in 1898, served as the inspiration for La Vague, 11 years later. The latter is more indicative of the influence of Far Eastern art. The La Vague inkwell stems from the creation of the sublime crystal nave that Baccarat presented at the 1900 Universal Exhibition, now housed in the Petit Palais in Paris.